You got me looking at my watch every minute.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with my sis.
You already know it's your girl Nika.
And today we're going to be here doing another reaction video to Miss Banks' Snack. I've heard a little clip of it. I have not heard the whole song, but the little clip alone was enough for me. I was just like, oh my god, I need to hear this song. I need to react to it. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. You've been on this channel long enough to know what the whole thing's about, so yeah.
Hey. Hey. Okay.
She looks fun. That green hair, she looks fun. Hey.
Big boy, can you handle that? Take it down, 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 ride you like a Cadillac. Steady heard on the best, yeah, baby, that's a fact. I got you, tell me what you wanna do. Me and you, no one has to come true.
Okay.
Say your grace, eat it with some attitude. Yeah, I'm full of attitude. Said I make it like a snack. Wish up in position, wanna hit it from the back. Pretty long legs, and you know that all fat. Pack you too big, had to put some in the back. It's in the back, and we never lack. Niggas wanna stick to the kid like tack. Flow like water, and you know I spit crack. And you like the way I back it up like that.
Like that.
Nothing that you can't hack.
Okay.
Man, damn ready to attack. You know what I want, so give me that. And you know it was never luck. When I stepped in looking like a snack. The girl damn ready to attack.
Listen, this girl come on the video looking like a whole snack. A whole snack.
You know what I want, so give me that. You ever know it was never luck.
Oh, you think I'm pretty pappy? I got this Marbet from my nigga Laddie. In the other silly, but my name ain't Maddie. Shut down anywhere, even Abu Dhabi.
Not gonna lie, she's giving me some like Nicki Minaj vibes right here. What you think? Like,
Yeah.
I got the type of wine that will probably brace spines.
UK version.
Yeah.
The grapevine, the way you bracket niggas wanna be my Valentine.
Looks nice,
Baby,
girl.
take time. I know I'm looking like a snack. Wish up in position, wanna hit it from the back. Pretty long legs, and you know that ass fat. Pack you too big, had to put some in the back. It's in the back, and we never lack. Niggas wanna stick to the kid like tack. Flow like water, and you know I spit crack. And you like the way I back it up like
that
that.
hair's bomb.
Like that,
It
nothing
was
It makes me
so
wanna
nice.
go green.
Yo.
I think it would actually suit me now.
But you know, you don't really see it as much on black girls. I just feel, yo, I might have to try it.
Brings it out a complexion more.
Yeah.
Give me the long thing, no stunting. Pull up closer, show me something.
Visuals are hard as well.
Round and tick like a dumpling. Push up on it, no fronting. Give me the long thing, no stunting. Pull up closer, show me something. Round and tick like a dumpling. Push up on it, no fronting. I make it like a snack. Wish up in position, wanna hit it from the back. Pretty long legs, and you know that ass fat. Pack you too big, had to put some in the back. It's in the back, and we never lack. Niggas wanna stick to the kid like tack. Flow like water, and you know I spit crack. And you like the way I back it up like that. Like that, nothing that you can't hack.
Nah, she looks fun. I can't even lie, you are not fun.
I fucked with this one still.
Yeah. But you can't be making a song like this.
Stepped in looking like a
Yeah,
snack.
you can't be looking
She
not
stepped
like
in
a
looking like a snack. She stepped in looking like a snack. Eat up the thing like a snack.
This one's making
She
a
came up in looking like a snack. Hey! Green hair looking like the snack.
Trust me.
Nah, that was sick though.
That was bomb. I gotta give it
like
to her on that
Give
one.
her a tap to that.
Definitely.
Done
UK
that.
rap. Girl, them on the map.
For real.
Okay. So yeah. Let us know what you thought about this video in the
Give it a
comments box
thumbs up.
below. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Like, why are you not stacking my thumbs up? And also don't forget to subscribe. Don't be just watching and not subscribing. Like, subscribe, man. There's more to come. Like, I'm back. I am back. I'm trying my hardest. I'm gonna try and get videos out as much as possible.
You guys, you have to give it a thumbs up. You have to subscribe and you get more content.
So yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at CubanDollKissKiss, and
It's your girl Nika, you already know.
yep, don't forget. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Bye guys.
It's a 7 o'clock.